Now we will discuss about the functional organization of a eukaryotic gene. It is a process of protein formation from DNA. First process, transcription happen in DNA, then pre-mRNA is formed, then splicing happen at second level. At third level, maturation of mRNA happened, then translation. It is translated into the protein in first DNA, then after transcription of DNA happened, then pre-mRNA is formed. In splicing process, introns and exons are removed and exons are added into the pre-mRNA. Then mature mRNA is formed, that is called mRNA. Then mRNA is translated into protein. It is process of functional organization of a eukaryotic gene.